There is going a malicious campaign on a section of media regarding the proceedings that were initiated and closed before the Honorable Supreme Court by Honorable Former Minister and our Working President Mr. KTR. They are propagating that the appeal filed by Sri KTR was dismissed by the Supreme Court. There is a difference between dismissal of the case and withdrawing of the case. In this context, the appeal was withdrawn by appellant Mr. KTR with a view to cooperate with the investigation which has already started. The appeal was filed on 7th of January, immediately after the High Court gave the decision. And in the meanwhile, ACB issued a notice to him to appear before them on 9th of January. So he did appear before the ACB and he was questioned for almost about 7 hours. He was there for 7 hours. How many number of hours he was questioned, I do not know, but 7 hours the process has taken place. And when once that process is started, and Mr. KTR is instructed his advocate to inform the Supreme Court about the case and withdraw it, because we already started participating in the investigation. So while that is the actual situation, based on his instructions, he withdrew the advocate withdrew the appeal, but that is the actual thing has happened in the Supreme Court. But a section of new electronic media, they are giving misleading versions to the people, which is actually not correct for the media to do this kind of activities. If they want to support the Congress party, let them support openly. There is nothing stops them. But falsifying the facts regarding a court case, it is very objectionable. They should not do this. And now since this is a context, I want to remind that about the case filed by Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi in connection with the National Herald case. They also filed a case like this. They also withdrew the case in the very same fashion. Then what is the answer by the Congress people for that? If Sonia Gandhi, ED, tomorrow the ED investigation is there, the notice is served on Sri KTR level, and my information is he is attending the inquiry.
With the advocate?
What? He is attending the inquiry. I think they will also allow the advocate to be present in the inquiry. That kind of activity, that is good, and if KTR seeks the court to permit to withdraw the case, how it is wrong? So you see, if they want to propagate for their cause, let them do that. Nobody will stop it. But they should not falsify the issue, particularly which has taken place before the court. That is very objectionable, and that we condemn that, and we want the people to see the difference between what they are saying and what actually has happened. Thank you.